Okay. I don't know. You have to understand this timing stuff here. Okay. So, I think ProCam is here on stage. I will invite Opt B to set up on the other side for afterwards and give now 3 minutes for presentation to ProCam. The time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we are a team of 4, Scheller, Justina, Sepide, and me, myself, and we are ProCam, and we worked on the challenge from systems. So we built ProCam, and it has 4 basic or major components. So we started with emotion recognition, customer recognition, motion heat maps, and purchase recommendation. All of these include algorithms for face detection, emotion classification, features training, motion vectors, and others. So first, we are going to demo emotion recognition.
And for this purpose, we used pre-trained neural network, which first detects faces, then we identify faces, which we'll explain further how we identify, and we detect emotion of the customer. Here, we would like to tackle and to understand whether the customer was actually happy after he or she purchased the item, or maybe the customer was not happy with the item which she purchased. This neural network detects 7 different emotions, and from neutral to happy.
And not only that, we also can track repeating customers. When the model sees a new customer, it learns the face and checks if it's a male or a female. And just for demonstration, we attached dummy names here, but it can check name, age, and percentage of accuracy. And if I leave the shop and I come back, it remembers my name. So you can track repeating customers, and also in the next section, we can talk about how we track their movements around the store.
The next solution is heat map, providing owners how customers actually visit their shop and which places in the shop are more popular, which places are less popular. Here, the idea is we calculate optical flow estimation from frames of videos, and we try to create heat map for most popular places, so that if the place is not popular, we put there more popular items.
So it has benefits as well as downfalls. The popular benefits for the owner of the shop is knowing which items are popular and which corners around the store are popular. It can help with sales promotions. And on the customer side, with all of this data, the customers can find what they want quickly. And the downfalls are pretty obvious: privacy issues, data storage constraints, and more importantly, security issues and server attacks. Thank you.
Thank you. So now we have 2 minutes of questions by the jury. Elia, please.
How much of this does the camera do, and how much did you do yourself? I saw just in one project you used Keras, and the other ones.
Yeah, we use a lot of different libraries. So each of us implemented something. So the 4 components were done by different people. So we used different libraries, but the camera is just for the inputs. Mostly you used webcam or the phone, but the code, if you check the GitHub repo, it's mostly done in the back end on the code side.
There is one of the 4 is not uploaded, just FYI. One of the 4 sub-projects. It's an empty directory.
Yeah. One of them is not implemented. We promised 4, but in the end, we could implement in 24 hours 3 of them.
Yes, recommender system is not implemented, basically.
Okay.
And did you have something to show us for the heat map? We have seen the person passing, but you have something to show us where the person stays?
Regarding the heat map, it's a good question. We tried the optical flow estimation, but in the end, we figured out that optical flow estimation doesn't give us good heat map. So here I show the prototype of optical flow. Unfortunately, the idea was to sum up all the differences between frames and then to take the average. But as I said, it didn't give us precise heat map location. So the idea, the further step is to actually detect parametric points of person and then based on parametric points to create this heat map. And this was done, but unfortunately, I didn't manage to create this for this showcase.
5 seconds, one more question. No more questions? Thank you.
Thank you.